Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm sharing my very own healthy flourless pancake recipe. It is an experimental recipe that I just did from watching videos and seeing other recipes online, and I decided to put a few things together, and these pancakes came out so delicious. Like, why am I even wasting time with flour pancakes when these are just as good and they are actually healthy with no added sugar? It's literally all the sugar that you use comes from the bananas. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Comment down below if you tried the recipe out, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you at my next video. Mwah.